A bucket containing 2 holes 4/5 gallons of water is 1/3 full. How many gallons of water is in one fully filled bucket? So to get this right, let's be illustrative about this. Let me draw the gallon of water, this gallon we are talking about here. Let me draw it. Don't mind my drawing actually. Let me just try to draw it. So if this is the gallon of water, okay, let's try to cover it, bullets and inlets there. Okay, so 2 holes 4/5 gallons of water is 1/3 full. So in other words, when they put this amount of water there, so let's divide this bucket. Okay, so this is the bucket, pardon me, this is the bucket. What I've drawn now is actually, let's take this one as the bucket. So I've just drawn the bucket. Okay, so this is the diagram of the bucket. So let's go back to the question. A bucket containing 2 holes 4/5 gallons of water is 1/3 full. So in this place, okay, the amount of water inside this bucket now, the amount of water inside this bucket is actually 2/4 gallon of water. And when they put this amount of water inside this bucket, the bucket is only 1/3 full. So it means that what, the remaining part of the bucket is empty. So about 2/3 capacity that is left in the bucket is actually what, empty. So what they ask us as a question is that how many gallons of water is in one fully filled bucket. So if we fully fill up this bucket now, what will be the gallon of water that will fill it up? So that's just the description. So if 2 holes 4/5 gallons of water is equivalent to 1/3 of this, so this is another 1/3, okay, and this is another 1/3. So that's why I said we should divide the bucket into three parts. 1/3 has been filled with water, and this is the amount of water. If you are going to fill another 1/3, that will be another 2 holes 4/5 amount of water. And the other 1/3 also, that will be another 2 holes 4/5 gallon of water. Because we know as a math student that when you do 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, this is what will give you 1, because it's going to be 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that will give you 3/3, and that will be 1. So this will give you one full bucket. So if we want to get our answer now, to know the gallons of water, we just simply add up 2 holes 4/5 plus 2 holes 4/5 plus 2 holes 4/5. Okay, because this is 1/3 fill, 1/3, 1/3. So we add it up to know what will be the quantity of water, gallons of water, in a fully filled bucket. So if we want to add that together, we just need the skill of our fraction. So let's do that up here. Because of the space, the limited space I have down there. So 2 4/5 plus 2 4/5 plus 2 4/5. Let's add all the whole number, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will give us 6. Plus the fraction is 4/5 plus 4/5 plus 4/5. We have added the whole numbers. So that will be 6 plus the LCM of 5 is 5. Okay, and then we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that will give us 6 plus 12/5. That will give us 6 plus 12/5 will give us 2 O's. Okay, 2/5. So let's add the whole number to whole number. That will give us 8 O's 2/5. So this will be the gallon of water that will be in the fully filled bucket, and that is 8 O's 2 over 5. So I hope you understand this. So if you have a bucket, what they are telling us that one third of the bucket, when they fill it with water, the one third of the bucket contains 2 O's 4 over 5 gallons of water. So they are now asking us that if they are to fill up this bucket, what will be the total gallon of water that will be in it? So the idea is just for you to know, since you know one third, and you know that if you add another one third, another one third, so that would be a fully filled bucket. So just add a gallon of water together, and that will give you the quantity of water in a fully filled bucket. Thank you.